And here, yes, here we are. The first problem not discussed. Yeah? Yes, or discussed. Hello, Khalid, he's there. Hello, no one here.
Yes, yes.
We discussed first this problem. We discussed already. We discussed this or not?
Which one? I think not, Musa.
Okay, better. Huh? So better take that dy by dx plus y equals to xy cube. This is Bernoull's differential equation, and we have dy by dx plus dy by dx plus y equals to xy cube. Y clearly up to till today we studied what? We studied so many things. The first differential equation is separable. Next was it is homogeneous. Next we discussed linear. Next we discussed Bernoulli. One we forget, that is exact. Like that. Now we need to decide which type of equation. Is it separable? No. So
Linear.
further we should have these standard forms in our mind. That's why it's problem. What is separable standard form? Separable means all
Why?
x dx, all y dy. Here x, all y dy. Then it is separable. Next, homogeneous, all terms must have same degree. And third, if we go for the linear, then the equation must be like this. I mean to say, and what is the procedure for solving? That also should be otherwise problem. Next was exact. M dx plus n dy is having 0 is the standard form. If you compare these two, looking almost same, see, check, these two looking same, but not same. Here, if dx is there, lazim x only, mafi y should not be there. Here, y only y, mafi x, but here, this m, no problem, it may be having x, y, anything, no problem. Understand?
Yes, Musa.
And after this, we discuss Bernoulli now. The Bernoulli's standard form is dy over dx plus py q y power n dy y over n. If we compare these two are actually like brothers. But the difference here, mafi y, no y. Mafi y term should not be there. But here lazim y power n. You understand?
Yes, Musa. Yes.
This is common, okay. But this here no y, that is must, no. But here y power n lazim, that is the difference. Now here step 1 we discussed in the last class. Step 1 is divide by this y power
yn.
n. Later put y over 1 minus n, that will be created here as z z z, and differentiate both sides with respect to x, then it will go to linear. Ya Allah, ya Allah. First of all Bernoulli, but after applying step 1 step 2 it will become what? Linear.
Linear.
Yeah, you know this also two are brothers. How brothers? Every homogeneous equation after writing y as vx and dy by dx v plus x dv over dx, and after basic math it will become variable separable. Ya Allah, mashallah, these two are like that. Same way linear and Bernoulli are also friends, I mean, understand?
Yes.
Understand.
You know, after listening something we have to narrate, or we have to say as a story. The story up to now of differential equations is this story, you know. But how to solve linear, how to solve exact, how to solve Bernoulli, how to solve, that story also we should know. Understand how it should be the standard form, and how to solve. This story should be in mind, then things are easy. Otherwise things will be looking complicated. Oh, what is this, what is this, like that. Understand? So first of all
Understand.
I will delete this all, or if you want this my story to be in detail, I will explain in detail once again, in detail the whole story, because this is weekend and from tomorrow 3 days holidays. So first of all, separable, ya Allah. What is that separable? Very easy. Fx dx. With this, you know, astaghfirullah, it will take and it won't go. Fx dx is gy dy. Then just integrate both sides. This is separable. Homogeneous. What is a homogeneous? I already told all the terms must have
Same power.
same degree. Say degree. If it is so, then mabruk. Put y is a vx and dy over dx is equal. Sorry. Yes. V plus x dv over dx. Put in the equation, then it will become separable after few steps. Then integrate both sides. Khalas. What is equation number 3?
Linear.
Linear standard form. By is q yy, mashallah. If, what is if? E power integral p dx. General solution y, if integral q if plus c. What about 4? Exact.
Exact.
M dx plus n dy is 0. Then we check dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. If these two are equal, then only exact. Then mabruk, general solution, integral m dx. Take y as constant, plus terms of n free from x dy is c. See how I am writing, you should have these in mind like that. Otherwise it's not thing like that in writing exam program. The phi, any phi. Now Bernoulli, Bernoulli was the akhar shay now, that is dy py q y power n must, and divide. Step 1 divide with this, Step 2, put 1 over 1 minus n as z and differentiate both sides with respect to x. We will do now that, no problem. This story should be in mind. Understand? Write this whole story at one point, on one paper. I mean one side of the book, so that the things will be clear, all the rules. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now we go to the point, our equation dy by dx plus y equals to xy cube. Okay. Solve dy over dx plus x. Sorry, y I think. Y equals to xy cube. This is nothing but y. If you see here dy y, mashallah, y, yeah, yes, dy y power n other side. So this we need to divide with that, the procedure, step 1. So step 1, divide by what? Y power 3. So y power 3, if you divide 1 over y, this one, no? Sure.
Sure.
This divide y over 3 is have x y over y cube. Same term cancel. Y power minus 3 dy by dx plus this 1 minus 3 y power minus 2. MashaAllah, the step 2. This is step 1. Step 1. Step 1 like tartila, tartil with tartil. Step 1. Step 2. Step 2. What step 2? Put this nafar in second term. This is had wahid. No, had awwal.
أول حد
This thani had. In thani had, the kullu waitom isa z like this.
Z
And differentiate both sides with respect to x. You can ask one question, why x, mister? Why? Because this x in maqam, what is that? What is in maqam?
X.
Same. Whatever in maqam, that with respect to maqam, like that. This integration, you know, some nafar in your class not at all saying anything throughout the whole class. I don't know they are there or not. Especially no female student is saying anything. Okay. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x, means this x power n. D by dx of x power n. You know this?
Yes, we know this.
How much? Any
X
student?
power n minus 1 divide n
N x
with
power n
z.
minus 1. N x power n minus 1. Like that, this is n x power n minus 1. But this y and x are not matching. So derivative of this y dx will be in maham. Similarly, isavi. This derivative of z with respect to x, dz over dx. Agree? I have to call by name so that they will say something. Balkhis. Assalamu alaikum.
Yes, Mr.
You feel okay with this or not?
Yes, it's
MashaAllah.
okay.
Y over minus 3 dy over dx is astaghfirullah. Sarah, she is unable to connect, I think. What's the problem? Mohammed Juma is there? Sarah, what is the problem? Okay. So this, I don't know why this created like this stuff. How to delete this? I still not understanding that. Some idea should be there. Okay. Okay. So here, if you see this step will be simply minus 2y over minus 3 dy over dx is having dz over dx. And if you see clearly, this same thing is there here. See this one. This one, you now you used to find the equation in that. See, same or not?
Same.
But some minus 2, this is the other. Say this is 1. But here no minus 2. We do not want minus 2. Send down, send down. Y over minus 3 dy over dx. This is in darb here as a maham. Minus 1 over 2 dz over dx. Agree? This we need 2 say. This we need 3.
Exactly.
Now put 2 and 3 in 1 1 1 1. That implies 2. What is 2? It's no same, no? That yes, we have how much? Z. So this is Z. This is Z. Okay, Z. Isa X. Okay, this also mafi tagayur. But this how much? How much? Read. Bushra. Minus half dz over dx. Sorry, I did something I did wrong. Yeah. So this was actually Z here plus and this. This how much? The other name. I need to call names. Hamid Sultan. Yourself? Hamoud. So this and this same. So this going here.
Where, Mr.?
This here.
Yes, Mr. C.
MashaAllah. Now, if you see this properly, what is this?
Z plus Z. DZ.
What? No, what is the type? What is the name of the muadila? Separable?
Homogeneous.
Homogeneous? Mafi.
Linear.
Yes, linear in what? Linear in what?
In Z.
In Z.
Yeah, mashallah, linear in Z. That is important. So, but in standard form, here al-muamil 1. Al-muamil 1, but this is problem. So, delete this. What? How to delete? Multiply by minus 2. Minus 2 cancel like that. So, minus 2, 2. So, that cancel. Here also minus 2 Z. Minus 2x. So now minus plus dz over dx minus 2z minus 2x. This is the okay. Agree. This is linear in Z. After linear in Z, what we do? How to find general solution? We know for linear if e power integral p dx. The general solution Z into if. Why is Z here? Because it is linear in Z. That's why Z here. If linear in Y, Y. If linear in T, T. Understand?
understand.
Integral q if plus c. Clear?
Yes.
That will be the next step. Can I go next step? Are any questions on this, please? You are welcome. Any step you can ask, please.
Mr. In equation 1, in the right side there is x, but down you replace it with dz over dx. Where does x gone? In equation 1, do you see the x in the right side?
Yeah, x is there. That is, I think, not understood there something. 1 minute. I will repeat this. You are confusing here.
Yes, a little bit. But I know we replace
This is
y
why
with
we
z.
okay, put this. You need to put this. That is tariqa step 2. That is step 2. This as z
Yes.
always, and differentiate both sides with respect to x. You have to do n x power n minus 1 dy over dx. Lazim dy over dx. Not same. Nafs shay no. Mafi. And not this derivative dz over dx. You understand?
Okay. Yes.
The next step. Can I go next? Any more questions, please? What names you have? Shaima, any doubt?
Yes, Mr.
Any doubt here?
No, no doubt.
Okay, thank you. One more. Safia. Marwa. Sara, okay. Just now joined. Huh? Sara, I suggest you to take the photo of this with phone, if possible, because you joined just now.
Okay, Mr.
Done? Okay. Now remember this equation. The akhar se. And z how much? This also we need. Okay.
Okay.
This was our substitution. Linear in what?
10z.
P how much?
P minus 2z.
Minus 2. Al-Muamil
Without
Z.
z.
Al-Muamil Z.
Okay. Yes.
Here how much P? Al-Muamil Y. Here because Y linear in Y.
Y.
Now linear in Z, so Z al-Muamil. That is minus 2. Q is how much? Come.
Minus 2x.
Minus 2x.
IF how much?
Integral b dx.
So what we should write?
Dx.
P how much? Minus 2. Minus 2 dx. Minus 2 kick out constant. Integral dx is x. General solution. How to start
F.
here? Here linear in y, IF. But now here linear in z. Z IF equals to integral QIF plus C. Z is Z only, or Z actually this one, how much? You will write that later. IF how much? IF
a power minus 2x.
integral Q how much?
Minus 2x.
IF how much? Z how much? Y over minus 2.
Power minus 2.
This minus 2 kick out because it is constant. X. Yes, which integration we need to use here?
By part.
By parts. Good, correct. By parts. Why by parts? That is islet. That is islet. How the x awwal function, this x. And this here. This derivative 1 0. Mashallah.
1
This
0.
integral. Taqsim minus 2. Again integral minus 2 zarb 4. Any question here, please?
No. Plus minus plus.
Yes, good. Plus minus plus. Multiply like this. Y. How this for this highlight this we need to multiply this and this. Cam hada cam.
X e
This multiply
power
this.
minus
This
2x.
multiply this. Mashallah minus. This multiply this is everywhere 0 plus C. But like this is the almost a final answer. Understand? Any questions, please?
Inshallah clear.
Your name?
Mr. How many times you ask for my name?
No, every time I used
I
to forget.
think the 10th time this one.
No, every time I used to forget. Sorry, tell me.
Khalid.
Khalid. In other group, Abdullah. Like you, he will respond. Okay. I confuse between both of you actually. Okay. So people are agreed, it seems. We can go to other one. So we did this and this, and all other matters are same way. But
Mr. What is that x bigger than 0?
no, they mentioned that this x is a positive. That not big deal with that. Nothing to worry about this. Nothing. No matter. Why? Because they mentioned, I think, some to satisfy the equation.
Type
Otherwise,
condition.
not. We won't use that more here. Nothing. Leave that. So this we finished or not? We will do this. This is
that or the last one, maybe.
this one. This.
Yes.
x divided by dx plus y equals to y square log x. X divided by dx plus y. So yes, okay, it is Bernoulli in y. Step 1. Step 1 please. X divided by dx plus y equals to y square log x. Divide by dx y square, how much? Clearly this is x y power minus 2. This is y power minus 1.
Mister.
Big fault I did because my daughter came in between now. She told something to me actually. Sorry. What now? First step. Actually, we are divided with y square and also this x also. Y. The standard form dy by dx plus py q y power n. Here almost 1 almost, but here how much?
X.
So divide with that also. First, if you divide, we will be on safe zone. 1 minute. On. Bismillah. So first of all, the step 1, we should not have this x. That's why divide with x. Divide. If you divide with x, next we should not have this y tarbiya. That step 1 is we will divide with this. No? So divide with y square as usual, the procedure. 1, that is, this will become minus plus as y over x, y like this. Y, this cancel. So 1 over x, y power minus 1 if we send up, log x divide x. Not clear this. This 1 over y, y power minus 1. Now agree?
Yes.
This is step 1, Now step 2. What is step 2? Put this term we target as z. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. N x power n minus 1 dy over dx dz over dx. So how much? Quite naturally, so y power minus 2 dy over dx minus dz over dx. Now this will be here. Always that will happen. And this will be, we take as z. This will go here. And this will go here. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. I have to shift to the other room. Thank you. Yeah. क्या बोला ये आवाज क्या फिर है सब बात करते बाय बच्चे Yes, please. Up to where we came? Hello? This. Khaled, are you there?
Yes.
MashaAllah. So this, we need to write minus dz over dx. Here. This will be this one. Minus and plus 1 over x. Y over minus 1, how much? How much?
Sir, wait
Z.
1 second. I will change my network.
What?
I will change my network to
Network.
data.
So this is dz over dx. This is y over minus 1. Z is log x divide x. This is linear in z, near to linear in z, but problem with minus, so we should not have minus 1 al-muamil 1 multiply by minus 1 all terms. This is minus, this is also minus. Clear? Now linear in z, what to do now? B how much? B how much?
Minus yx.
Minus 1 over x, yes. Q how much?
Minus log x
by x.
Minus
log x.
the next one will be integrating factor as usual. I of e power integral b dx. E power integral p is minus 1 over x minus 1 over x minus log x. This will be cancelled, but this will go up here, x power minus 1. That is 1 over x otherwise. Okay, check up to this. Any doubt, please? Mohammed Juma, he is there? Anything you want now?
Wait, I will take a screenshot.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Mr.
Bismillah. Next one is we have to go for the different way. Where is the pen? Next one will be what we get. We need to focus once. Okay. Otherwise, take picture better. The next step will be quite natural. That is IF over the general solution. We will find ZI of integral Q IF plus C. We know what is that from what we will substitute generally something that is nothing but here y over minus 1 actually, and IF we found as 1 over x integral Q mean is here minus log x divided x, and IF is 1 over x, same here like this, y dx plus c, y over minus 1, and this we can write down also with a plus this down, minus this one minus outside log x, and this x tarbia if you write up like this. Now for these two, what to do is a question now. Come on. What do you do here?
Same or substitution? No, wait.
Your idea 1 log x is we know it will be affecting again, but 1 minute. This is not working. That's why we have here, see, x and x tarbia, no? Like this you write. Or if you allow me, can I write like this? One over x, 1 over. This is also 1 over x, no? That is 1 over x tarbia. Any idea now? Now we have substitution. Put log x is have u. If we differentiate both sides, how much here? 1 over x dx is have du. Agree? Moreover, I think this step, just creating headache. Don't change this. Better write same copy. Okay.
Okay.
And that will be helpful. How helpful? You see, this nafar is here. Come that.
Du.
But with online class, one advantage is there. Or some disadvantage. The advantage is student have to see there. But if we sit in classroom, we see outside window, in like this or that, there like that, or mobile. Now you have to see. Otherwise, that is your matter. I don't know what you're doing like that.
All the responsibility.
Yeah. Or you can see again. That chance is there. Again, you can see the video. How much? How much log x?
1 over.
Ya Allah, Allahu Akbar. How much?
Yes, u.
How much is 1 over x?
Du.
So this is a du. But this x is still remaining like that. This is problem. If you do substitution, all should become u like this. This x, no, not allowed. Why not allowed? Because you change all. When you change all, you need to change that also. How much now? This x, how much is the question now? X, how much? From this x, how much? You know this way?
Yes, it will become x.
No, here we expect e. If nothing is there, we take e like that.
Yes.
Here. So e power, this u will be here. You know this from pure math. From the chapter called logarithms, properties, foundation next course it was.
Which big?
No, from pure math. This like this.
Yes.
Huh?
Oh.
This e will be going up. So we can cancel log.
And if it's y, or will not be y there?
Here y.
For example.
Here y, then y, okay. This is the rule, you know. They used to teach like this to you. To remove log, write b like this. This y will go some up and like this. Any one of you studied pure math with me?
No.
Maybe someone at least. No? Okay. Now how much is x now, please?
E power u.
That will be here. 1 over yx minus u. E power u up, e power minus u du. Now what to write now? What is this nonsense? Control Z. Now how much? 1 over yx. This you know, which what now? Eyelid. Allahu Akbar, eyelid. See? This actually here what? Substitution. We use that. Later it gone to eyelid. Now what? You know, derivative. U e power minus u. Differentiate 1, 0. Integrate again. Plus, minus. Multiply like this, khalas. Come on. This minus. Come on, these two.
Minus u.
These
E power
two.
minus u. Minus a power minus u.
1 over yx minus plus u e power u minus plus c. But you know we need to write what is u. What is u?
Log x.
Thank you. What is e power minus u?
X.
No. Here plus. Here plus, here minus.
Minus x.
Over x. 1 over x. This is also 1 over x. Because here plus no.
Yes.
Here minus 1 over yakhlab. Plus c. This is the answer. Okay.
MashaAllah.
Okay. Little break up to Azan. Yes, please. Now, if you see what we can write now. Maybe this is from in Sohar Masjid from Al Dabdob, the Azan.
Maybe.
Okay. Now can I delete?
Delete. It's already recorded.
So let us show you this one how it will be at least. We do not want this, so first we divide. So now divide, sorry, x is there now here. We divided, no need, yes. Next divide with
Y
y
square.
square. This y taqsim y square y power minus 1. Other one. Next put what? This mafar. If we differentiate, we get so this will be here minus dz over dx minus this will be z. Other this minus should not be there, so if we multiply, now p is this. How much p?
Z coefficient.
if p dx e power, how to do is 1 over x plus integral x1 dx. From here I will do also on paper better. Dy by dx x dy by dx minus 1 plus xy xy square. So we divide with x, it should be 1. Already divided, I think, here. This should not be here, no? Or already given like that? No. Yeah, given 1 plus x, yeah. One plus x divide x. Here cancel, okay? Y x cancel. Dy over dx minus okay x y tarbia. This is just to bring the standard form SF. After standard form, now step 1. What is step 1? Divide with
Y square.
Okay, Khalid, inshallah. Now,
Thank you.
astaghfirullah, every time like this come. Badain, y, this y over y square y later what step 2 let or put something as z. That something is the y term in the second term. This is awwal, this is second, always.
Yes.
If we differentiate both
Sir,
sides,
I notice it's always will be y power minus 1.
what?
I mean that the second term, it will be always y power minus 1.
Not always, because it depends on the questions. One, but here I think, here not, no. Here it was y power minus 2. See,
Minus 2.
because 3 is here. Here also y power minus 2.
Because we
Here,
did one before it's
like that. So if we differentiate for this n x power n minus 1 dy by dx dz over dx, say 1, say 2, and from this if we try to one step better, what is the step? This minus will be here. Put a 2 and 3 in 1. How much? It will go here, see. This C minus this same, but this y power minus 1, this is only be targeted as how much? Z. This Z. This is near to linear in Z. See, near to Masqat is not in Masqat, remember. Different. Like that, this is near to linear but not linear, so minus is here. So multiply by minus 1 to make exactly linear. Now, mashallah, now we are in Masqat direct. Okay. Now what, please? Hello.
Mister, you divide with minus 1?
You
The right
multiply,
side.
you multiply or divide. You multiply or divide all same, because minus it's nothing. It means to say that in other words, just tagayyur al isharat. You understand?
Yes. Yes.
All isharat just change. We can change all. No problem with that. Now B how much? Al muamil Z is B every time. Why this?
No, Mister, I mean the one on the right side, it will not be minus.
Yeah, yes. I was in Muscat, I thought of the hotel, they kept me when I came, Gharfa, what is that? Rotana.
Yes,
I
very
went,
expensive.
my mind went to there. That's why minus I missed. Astaghfirullah. Now come back. 7 years back, huh? Okay, leave it. Now B, how much Q? Q, Yamin minus 1.
Q minus 1.
IF how much? What is B? What is B?
1 plus x over
Wow.
x.
Why this musallas every time it was to come? I don't know.
Maybe you have to change something in the settings.
No. This I'm using one pen that is Wacom one app. That I mean that's creating like that sometime fast. This is how to integrate this. Oh ya Allah, how to integrate this? How to integrate this? Come on.
I will take the constant outside.
1 over x split integral again. This another x how much? Ilga. This is we know what is that log x or ln x. This is integral dx is x. Okay.
Okay.
So okay, like that there, huh? So what we do there? This now. Yes, please.
شوية.
Yeah. This 1 over x plus other xx. Okay. E power, this is we know well-known integral, that is ln x or log x, up to you. Okay. Integral 1 dx is x.
Yes.
This e power ln x. This is how can you know that is split? We can write like this. Wahed base sum of exponent. We can split like this, no? Generally we use, if like this we write that, but now from there this side it's quite natural. If now we are in Sohar, we want to go Muscat or Salal, or if we
Again
are in
مسقط.
Muscat, we think about again Sohar like this, like that. Okay. Now
Okay.
this is cancel x, but this no Mafi cancel same. Oh, what a beautiful IF this is, smart IF. See.
Yes.
Now next step please.
General solution.
MashaAllah. General solution what?
ZI
is having
equal integral Q IF.
So the general solution ZIF integral QIF plus Z means we targeted that. So write that IF is here. Very good IF. Integral Q means Yamin how much?
-1.
You see, if you see here problem, khalas, no, here. This is not linear in Z, that is near to Z, near to linear.
We'll take the last step.
Otherwise problem, -1. Yeah, IF how much? Yes, IF. Same. Now for same, what will go down? This x e power x. This is well known, good integration. What is the property? Method, ilay, tariqa. Derivative 1, derivative 0, mabruk, integral, plus, minus, enough. Same, isar, minus. Come on.
X a power x.
Like this.
-1 a power x.
Let's see how good the answer is. like that. So like this, what I say, I suggest you is you have to go for the different things. See this thing, I will guide a little. But here, first of all, any doubt here, please?
No doubt.
Oh, most of the, they think if they open mouth, maybe coronavirus problem. Okay. Can I stop this question? Okay.
Okay.
No, this one, any doubt maybe student have here. I have to call my name. Al Muntasar, he's there?
Yes, Mr. Here.
You feel okay about this?
Yes.
MashaAllah. Any other names? Maybe. Okay. Why this? Okay. Oh. Next one. The question I will just guide you this one.
They're done.
dy by dx minus y over x. dy by dx minus y over x. Oh no, something different.
No, without it. Equals 0.
Plus y square x, yeah. Plus, yes, the standard form important. dy over dx plus py qy over n, like this. That is y over n. This term must be in yamin. But here what? Y square term is in isar. So bring this side khalas. dy by dx. This means like this. Y over x means like this. 1 into minus y over x. Yes, start please. Understand?
Understand.
This of course easy, just divide by x, divide by 2x square, divide by x and start like that.
Mister, when you divide, get back.
Which one? Get
back. Yes. When you divide by
y
minus
square.
y square. Yes.
No, minus y square. Step 1, divide by y power 2. Yes, y power minus 2. Y over y square. Y over minus 2. What is the problem, please?
Okay, now clarification.
Now this as z, and then this will differentiation will replace this. Then it will become linear in z. And next solution.
IF. General solution.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Next one. Actually, chapter 3.
No, Mr. Let's keep it for the next class. To be a new beginning.
See, like this we go that. What the other students will say, they are more interested, they are listening very calm. They want me to continue now, please.
No, Mister, they don't want you to continue.
No, they want
to pray.
They are very obedient.
Don't.
Mister, listen.
To continue.
I told you.
No.
Mister, we want you to stop, please.
No, you are not responding, so I have to continue.
No, Mister, we will respond.
So okay, happy weekend, but remember next week is same day Wednesday. Next week quiz 2. After that week midterm. For midterm up to this Bernoull'S, see up to this, and for quiz 2 up to exact differential equation, inshallah.
Inshallah.
I think you submitted assignment by tomorrow last date, no? Yeah. Like
Mr.
that.
Tomorrow, which time?
Which time, we have to put no up to that 12 o'clock night.
Okay.
Like that. Okay.
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 This is, we should not keep like that, but